In this video, I'll guide you through setting up Afterpay and Clearpay on your Shopify UK store. These buy now, pay later options can boost your sales by offering flexible payment plans to your customers. Create a Clearpay merchant account. Visit get.clearpay.co.uk and sign up for a merchant account. Ensure your business address is in the UK and your store currency is set to GBP in Shopify. Connect Clearpay to Shopify. Log in to your Shopify admin panel. Navigate to Settings.Payments. Under Alternative Payment Methods, click Add Payment Method. Search for Clearpay, then enter your Clearpay merchant ID and secret key. Click Activate. Add Clearpay messaging to product pages. To display Clearpay messaging on product pages, automatic installation. From the Clearpay merchant portal, go to Integration. Shopify.Theme Setup. Select your theme and authorize the installation. Manual installation. Go to Online Store. Themes Edit Code. Open Product Template Liquid or Main Product Liquid. Paste the provided Clearpay widget code after the product price section. Test the integration. Use Shopify's test mode to simulate transactions and ensure Clearpay appears correctly at checkout. That's it. You've successfully set up Afterpay and Clearpay on your Shopify UK store. If this video helped, please like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.